The internal debate about Serbia's European future has come to an end. The rapid attainment of membership in the European Union is our central strategic priority. Serbia will devote all available resources to the fulfillment of this crucial goal through active and sustained engagement with Brussels and all the national capitals of the Union. This will include ongoing full cooperation with the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia. We do not consider this simply to be a legal imperative, but also an ethical duty to our neighbors and to the world, of course, but foremost, to ourselves. We will keep at it until we see it through. By working closely together on all accession issues as partners aiming at a common future, we can help ensure the EU Council takes two important political decisions in 2010. First, to enable the beginning of the ratification of the Stabilization and Association Agreement. And second, to extend the official candidate status.